Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
Valentine's Day is just around the corner and love is in the air. So today we thought that we'll create a look which you can use especially for your Valentine's Day date. And I have my friend beauty expert Sanya with me. Hi Sanya, how are you?
I'm good, Sonakshi, thank you.
So what's the plan for today?
So today, like you said, love is in the air, and the look today is inspired by love. So it will be more romantic, flirty, and it will be a monochromatic look. So there'll be a lot of like rose gold going on your eyes and like complementing the lips. So yeah, that's what we're planning to do today.
Okay, great. Sounds really nice and sweet.
Yes.
So Sanya's already prepped my skin. So now we'll take you through the next steps one by one. After setting the eyes with concealer and setting powder, start off with a transition shade and blend it above the crease. Next, take a deeper pink eyeshadow and blend it on the outer corner of the eyes and drag it inwards towards the crease. Blend seamlessly with a transition shade to avoid any harsh lines. Take a rose gold shimmery eyeshadow and place it on the entire eyelid. Merge the edges of the matte shadow with shimmer. Curl the lashes and add a coat of mascara and finish your eye look with a strip of falsies or individual lashes for a natural look. Moving back to the base makeup, contour to add structure and highlight to enhance the features. Finish your base makeup with some rosy cheeks. Complete the Valentine's makeup look with pink lips and add some gloss for extra sheen. Here's the final look for the upcoming Valentine's Day. So this is my final look, guys. I'm all ready for my Valentine's Day. As you can see, it's so sweet and flirty and romantic, and it's really not that difficult. Tell me what you guys think about this look. If you have any questions, do write into us. Please show us some love, like, subscribe, share and comment, and keep watching Beautiful You for more.